Yo, what's up guys, Joker here, welcome back to another video guys. Today, this is how I made, we are in the wrong website. This is how I made $193 today by trading the ES, the S&P 500, and I'll go show you everything really. And I could have made a little bit more money today, I could have made close to $500, but this was a long-term play, and yeah, just got stopped at break even right now, so I'm going to post a video. So in the 4-hour time frame, we are down here, swept out this draws on liquidity, this draws on liquidity, and we have all these 3 draws, but we are quite a little bit away from them. We also have these 4-hour highs, and the news candle highs. We go to the 1 hour in terms of draws on liquidity. Once market opens, we create a bullish SMT out of ES and NQ. NQ was actually the leading index out of these 1 hour lows, I believe. Yep, I think so. Pre-market, we were creating a bullish SMT, and just to show you the draws on liquidity, we have these 1 hour highs, and then these also relative equal highs right here on NQ, and on ES it's actually equal highs. So as you guys can see, equal highs right here, super strong draw on liquidity, and let's go to market open and let's go through it. So my bias was completely bullish. We were getting a bullish SMT out of it. As you guys can see, pre-market we created a bullish SMT. Market opens, we had news at 9:45 PMI. So I need to wait for that. Market opens, we move a little bit lower, we sweep out liquidity, we get another bullish SMT out of it, nice. But I'm waiting for more confirmation, I'm waiting for the news to come out. The news comes out in this candle right here, boom. It's a bearish candle, because the news are positive. So when the news are positive, actual greater than forecast, it's good for currency. When it's generally good for currency, it's bad for S&P 500. That's exactly what happened. We move lower. After that, I'm on 1 minute, and I'm looking at both the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq at this point, because I was looking for the best entry out of them. So really, on Nasdaq, we evaluate this parallel gap, we move a little bit lower, we create a bullish SMT out of that 5-minute bullish SMT. Again, I'm only looking at 5-minute SMTs, I'm not looking at 1 minute, because 1 minute is just noise. I'm looking at 5-minute SMTs, and I'm talking a little bit quick, but guys, I just want to put this video out. I have some stuff to do, so let's go through it. Bullish SMT out of that, this is the leading index. I'm always trading leading index. Why? It has more strength, and that's basically it. We are feeling, we create a bullish SMT. Again, like I was looking for an entry right here, just before we are creating a bullish SMT, just because I can explain everything. We invest this 5-hour gap on this candle right here, invest 5-hour gap. After that, I'm looking for an entry, break of structure, invest 5-hour gap, 79% extension, something like that. I was looking at the 79% extension right here, but we do not feel it right here, boom, we do not feel it, we do not get a candle closure above that. I was looking here at this inverse 5-hour gap, as you guys can see, right here. Right here, this inverse 5-hour gap, we do not invalidate it. We are feeling not only 5-minute equilibrium right here, but we also feeling 5-hour gap, 1 minute 5-hour gap. We get a break of structure of that. Also the bullish SMT, enter on that, 3 under risk, again, risking low these days. Not much risk to play with so far, but hopefully it gets better. And now price seems to be moving up, and will it all take profit, which is great. But I got stopped at break even, and I stuck to my rules. I put my stop loss at break even, so it is what it is. I'm not going to cry too much about it. Anyways, let's go through it. Get the break of structure of that, enter on that, stop loss right here, below these liquidity sweep lows. Risk 300. First take profit was on these relative equal highs. I took 2 contracts out of it, and the price reverses a little bit, then fills this 5-minute 5-hour gap, which I was expecting it to move higher out of, and then I wanted to close one more contract right here on these relative equal highs, and then keep the other contracts running until all-time highs, or until these highs, but these were a little bit unrealistic. The more realistic approach would be right here, 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. Again, not the best risk to reward ratio, even on these relative equal highs, not the best risk to reward ratio, but those are really achievable, and I really wanted them to be filled, and I think they will be filled right now. So yeah, you know, I think they will be probably swept. So yeah, that was the goal for the day. What could I have done better? Close more contracts? Maybe not really. I was planning, you know, after seeing all these 5-minute highs, you know, just low time frame, low resistance liquidity, the market will probably want to sweep them out, and we'll sweep them out for sure. This high, it will sweep out everything. I stuck to my rules, got stopped at break even, again, a little bit of a search and destroy. Could I have closed more contracts? Probably yes, but I'm risking low, so I'm playing with the trade really correctly. So I closed 2 contracts right here, which is a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, not that great, 1.2. Then I wanted to close the rest here, which would have put me up like $520, $530 for the day, which is again not the best, but considering the last few weeks would have been pretty good. But yeah, it did not happen. It will probably happen right now, but I got stopped at break even, so it is what it is. So good trade today, good day trading. That's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, being patient, and today what really helped me was going into the markets with the mentality really I don't want to trade, and that's the mentality I've been having lately. That's the mentality I've been having yesterday as well, and that's the mentality, as you guys remember, that made me pass my Funded account. Just, you know, being patient, waiting for the trades to come to me, and not wanting to trade. That's really the thing. You know, I didn't want to trade today. I was only going to trade if the market gave me every single reason for, and it gave me a lot of draws on liquidity to the upside. It gave me an SMT right on opening, then another SMT, not many draws to the downside. As you guys can see, we have these 1 hour lows, but then we have these high resistance lows all the way up down here, and these are low resistance lows, which are way more achievable. Yeah, we'll probably want to see, we'll probably sweep them out everything and eat our full take profits. So yeah, again, like, I was right for the day. That's what matters most, more than the money made, which is not a lot. I was right for the day, and that's pretty much it. I will do more of the recap later today to see what happened to the price. So yeah, to do. And that's basically it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to leave a like. And yeah, guys, just be patient. Wait for the trades to come to you. Don't force trades into the market. Again, today I only wanted to trade if the market gave me every reason to, and it gave me. So yeah, we are now have more of a breathing room as well. We can trade a little bit with more risk, but I'm not going to risk much as well. I'm going to keep risking 300 until we are a little bit more comfortable, and then I'm going to increase it to probably 350, 400, 450, and then after we are way more than positive on the account, we are going to risk seeing 600, 700, and that's the big trade. So yeah, thank you for the video, guys. Thank you for being there as well, supporting me. Tomorrow we have news. I don't think I'll trade today, but I don't think I'll trade tomorrow, but we'll check. So yeah, guys, see you guys tomorrow, and yeah, bye bye, guys.